Okay, I have to be quiet because my sister's sleeping. I just bought one thing because my mom let me, and because I was stuck on that one level, and my toe hurts for some odd reason. Am I even making it? Yes, I am. Again, shout out to Lizzie, kitten lover, hope. Lizzie, kitten lover, and her little picture thing is hope, love, believe. You guys like her and subscribe. So let's go into this game. Okay, I'll show you what I bought. I bought this. My mom let me. So Mom, if you're watching this, remember, you let me do this. Like, I earned that myself. Okay, team fight. Hey, let's do some pixel gun. What's it called? And sorry, this time I'm only gonna do one zombie thing, whatever. Pixelated world. I'm only gonna do one. I'm sorry, then I'll have to end the video. I'm thinking of doing a new I'm thinking of doing a new intro and a new end intro. No, an intro. You've already seen this if you watch my other video. I'm watching. Okay. Use that for last intro. Shout out to Mom. What? Like, shout out to my mom. I just explained it in here, so I guess. Well, she doesn't even really do anything. She doesn't really have anything that people can see. So shout out to her, but okay. I had to use it. I'm sorry I bought stuff so it's not as fun for you, but I was about to rage quit this game, so it would not be as fun for you, so actually, it doesn't matter though. And then like, why don't you kill the zombie? I'm just trying to escape. So I go outside so I'm not stuck with like the boss because he's really hard. Sorry guys, that's all I've been